Hey, what's up guys, thank you for clicking my video. In this tutorial we shall be looking at how to create unlimited Telegram account. Yes, this time around we shall be looking at how you can easily create unlimited Telegram account. So I will need you to pay attention and follow me step by step. The method of teaching you guys today is very simple, so you need not root advice. So this works in every country, so it doesn't matter your location. Now before we start, if today happens to be your first time on this channel, just subscribe and also turn on the notification icon and be part of this wonderful family, so that anytime I upload a new video you might be the first person to watch it. Now without wasting much time, let's get started. Now in the first place, all you need to do is to just open your Play Store. Now once you open your Google Play Store, all you need to do is to search for your Telegram over here. So search for your Telegram and make sure your Telegram application is updated to the latest version. So just update your Telegram application over here. Now once you have updated your Telegram in the first place, all you need to do is to just search for Secure VPN. Now once you search for Secure VPN, there are many, but I recommend this one. Now you can see this particular one has more than 100 million plus downloads, so you need to make sure you download this particular one. If you're already having it but not updated to the latest version, you need to make sure you update this particular application. Now once you have updated your Secure VPN, all you want to do is to just go ahead and open your Secure VPN over here. So just search for your Secure VPN. And once you open your Secure VPN, you can see checking network settings. Just wait for a while and click on connect. Now once you click on connect, you can see connected over here. Now it means we are connected to this particular VPN. Now once you are connected to this Secure VPN, all you need to do is to just open your Telegram, and once you open, you can see enter your phone number. This time around we don't want to use our personal number, so in this case we have to go back and then open Play Store. So open your Play Store and then search for this option, receive SMS online. Now once you search for receive SMS online, you can see a lot of applications over here, but I recommend this one, which is the first one. You can see this particular one with more than 1 million plus downloads over here. Now you have to make sure you download this application. If you're already having it but not updated, you need to make sure you're using the latest version of this application, so you have to update it. Now once you are done, just go back and then open this receive SMS online application. So once you open this particular application, you can see it is loading, so just wait for a while. So you can see loading, so just wait as it is loading over here. And you can see, okay, so you can see the first option says receive SMS, the second option says receive email over here, and you can see support us. So in this case we have to use the receive SMS. Now once you are done with this, you choose the country you want to use. So in my case I'll use USA, so you have to choose any other country. Now once you have selected your country, you can see over here copy the number over here, and you can see number copied. and just go to your Telegram, and then paste the number over here. Now immediately you paste the number, you can see USA will pop up. Now just click on send, and once you click on send over here, you can see over here, is this the correct number? Click on yes, and once you click on yes, just go back to your application and you can see refresh SMS. Now once you refresh SMS, just wait for a while and the verification code will be sent to you over here. So just copy this verification code and use it to create your unlimited Telegram account. So with this, you can create unlimited Telegram account without using your personal contact. I hope this video is very helpful. Thanks for watching. Don't forget to subscribe and also turn on the notification button so that anytime I upload a new video,